seamlessly track your shipments with minimal effort. Introducing the Sensos Label, your key to simplified shipment monitoring. Imagine a single label that provides real-time tracking, temperature monitoring, and even security alerts, all with a simple application. Each Sensos label arrives pre-configured with your shipment details, eliminating manual data entry. Apply the label to any package with its strong adhesive backing. No complicated setup required. Apply the main body of the label to the top of the parcel. The open indication tab is armed once it bends past a 45-degree angle. When the tab crosses a 45-degree angle again on its way back, that is, returning to a flat position, the label detects the parcel has been opened and triggers an alert. Simplify your shipment tracking and unlock the power of real-time data. Visit our website to learn more.